si papa don't my dog come again.
Since you started this year extramural night class, you don't know me again.
Baba Chike, who is Graham Bell?
Graham Bell.
Graham Bell. Okay, let me call it the way a white man would call it. Graham Bell. Who is it?
Graham Bell is not that one that's the one.
You're mentioning, you're laboring for me, you're mentioning Bell. Look. Graham Bell is the man that invented the telephone you and I use today. If I had not been attending night classes, I wouldn't have known this.
But
wait, don't better wait. Who is Michael Faraday? Michael Faraday, who is he? You're biting your hand. You are biting your finger. Look, don't bother biting anything. Look, listen. Michael Faraday is the man that invented electricity, NEPA that you and I use today. If I had not been attending classes, I wouldn't have known this.
Is it not
is it not who? Well, keep quiet. Who is William Shakespeare? William Shakespeare. Who is he? Look. William Shakespeare is this classical playwright that wrote the popular book Romeo and Juliet. If I had not been attending night classes, I wouldn't have known this. Wait, who is
Wait here. Let me ask you a question. Who is Alhaji Malam Tanko? Alhaji Malam Tanko.
Wait. Let me consult my phone.
Chineke me.
That name does not sound foreign to me. What did he invent?
He's inventor in your house, roaming, seeing Amatope in every evening when you are attending your night school. Whisper. I'll be waiting in the column.
Wait.
Graham Bell. My far away.
Wait.
Chineke.
It can't be.
Romeo and Juliet.
Wait. This is your laughter. What is the meaning of this? You are telling me something very important. Enough of that. Enough of it. Enough of it.
Chineke. College. You go jail. Answer my question.